Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we're looking at this right here. This is the Merkury Innovations Multicolor Volcano Light. So I already reviewed something similar to this. Let me show it to you. Which is this right here. As you can see right there, these are the jellyfish that I reviewed last time. They don't normally flash like that. That's just my camera that's having a hard time with the frame rate. But anyway, this should be about the same, so we're just going to take a look and see how they're different and how they're similar. Let me turn that off. Okay, so let's use our Gerber knife to open it up. Yeah, so basically the same thing, except that it's a volcano instead of jellyfish. If you look over here, everything's the same. So based on the previous one, I know that you can fill it up here with just tap water or distilled water, whichever one you like. And you're going to be adding a few drops of soap, liquid soap, like detergent. And that's it. You're going to put that in there. And that's it. So let me just look at the instructions just to be sure. So yes, I was right about the detergent. 1 to 2 drops of liquid detergent. You mix it with this. And there you go. So let me go get some detergent. Okay, so I'm back. So I have my detergent right here. And I have a distilled water right here. So let's open this up. I know you can't see it, but trust me, I'm doing it. And this is gonna get everything wet. So what I recommend is that you use this and put it under there like that. Let me lower the camera like that, and that'll help. Okay, so let's add the detergent, just 2 drops. I know you can't see that either. And now we add the spheres. This is gonna be cool. And here we go. Make sure you don't lose anything. Then mix it up with the provided spoon, like that. So we want to mix that detergent. Now I'm just going to finish up filling the tank. And I know you hear those explosions. Those are fireworks. Today is December 31st, 2024. And we are ready. So I'm going to turn off the lights. I'm going to plug it in and we're good to go. Now let's power it on. Okay, let me turn off my logo because I think it's interfering. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, so that right there is the red color, but you can change the color to whatever you want. Green doesn't make too much sense, and it looks really bad on the camera. It looks a lot better in person. Blue doesn't make too much sense either. This one's nice. I don't even know what color that is. Now this one, you can't see him. Here you can. I think this is purple. So that works. That's white. And that's changing, I believe. Okay, so definitely my favorite one is the red. And this one works too, but I think I like, well, this one works too. Now I am noticing something. Unlike the previous one that I bought, the jellyfish. This one does have a double image. If you look at it from there, you just see the volcano. But from here, you're constantly seeing the that double image. Let me bring the other one just for comparison. Okay, so here's the jellyfish. So the jellyfish, everything's okay with it. I don't see any double images or anything. Well, I do. Now I notice them, but it doesn't affect it in any way. It looks like there's 4 jellyfish when there's only really 2 of them. But on the volcano, I keep seeing that double. I mean, I know you can see it in the camera, that double volcano. And you can also see it in person, so it's not a camera issue. It doesn't bother me too much. This is just ornamental. But I just have to warn you about it. If you don't like the double image, don't get this. I'm going to have to give them a good rating because I don't think there's anything they can do about this double image. And if you go down like that, you don't see it. So you're going to have to put it somewhere high so you just see the one volcano. And this is just a visual thing. This is about physics. There's really nothing they could have done to prevent this. But I think this is good. I'll give it a very good rating. I guess it's 5 stars out of 5. I know. I don't know. There's nothing they could have done to get rid of that double image. But it's there. But other than that, I think it's nice. I think that's it. So do I recommend it? Yes, I do recommend it as long as you don't have an issue with that double image. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.